Hi everyone, welcome back to our class. Spritle has started hiring for the role software engineer, that is junior software engineer for Python. And if you look at the eligibility, so one must know HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and one must know Python, scripting and automation, and one must able to perform debugging and troubleshooting web-based applications, and one must familiar with REST APIs and integration support, and one must know basic understanding, that is the backbone concepts. Okay, and along with this one needs to have clear communication and documentation skills, and analytical thinking and problem solving is mandatory to eligible for it, and one must able to work collaboratively across function. So these are the skills required for one to eligible for it. Okay, and if you look at the responsibilities, so the one who works for this role troubleshoot and resolve front end and back end system issues efficiently, collaborate with developers, business analyst and operations team, maintain and enhance UI components using HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and also write and debug Python scripts to automate and optimize support workflows, and participate in system testing, validation, and minor feature enhancement. And along with this, support the development of internal tools to a team operations. So these are the responsibilities one will do when he worked for junior software engineer Python. Okay, I will get you the link in the description box. So once you go through this particular link, you can easily able to apply. So this is all about today. Thanks for watching the video. Do like, share, and subscribe the channel. Thank you.